Sawadika. My name is Tita. I am the co-founder of Siam Restaurant Thai. We are currently in our second location here in downtown Montreal. We are very honored to receive the Thai Select signature certification by the Royal Thai government. I think what distinguishes Siam is our contemporary design and our excellent service. Here in our downtown location, we have 2 floors with a wraparound bar, a VIP room, and a beautiful terrace for all kinds of occasions. Some of our signature dishes, one of it is a Penang curry, which is a generous portion of beef braised for 6 hours in a delicious coconut sauce. Another famous dish is the Chef Panatti's crispy chicken, which is a recipe that was passed down from his grandmother, and we named it after him in his honor. And of course, there's our Pad Thai. It is a classic and will always be one of my favorites. If you're ever in downtown Montreal, I hope you get a chance to come and visit Siam Centre-Ville.